Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. My name is Alia Sofia binti Adli and I'm 12 years old. I'm from Sik Zamrud of SK Bukit Garam 2. The title of the book I'm reviewing is Raffles and His True Friends. This book is a fiction story written by Haider Yutim and published by Vital Star in 2005. This book has 22 pages and tells a story about Nini the rabbit and her five best friends named Finny the fish, a cheerful and caring fish, Sherlock the sparrow, a smart and observant bird, Raffles the rabbit, a kind and friendly rabbit, Chicha the cup, a playful and adventurous cup, and Pinpin the porcupine, the quiet but thoughtful friend. They live in a beautiful fiction place called Rabbitville, where they explore the endless green field and mountains together. The front cover of the book shows Nini and her friends standing in a bright outdoor setting. The colorful illustration makes the book look fun and exciting to readers. Now, let me tell you more about the story. Nini the rabbit loves to explore the forest with her five best friends. Finny the fish, Sherlock the sparrow, Raffles the rabbit, Chicha the cup, and Pinpin the porcupine. One day, Nini notices that Raffles has been absent from school for a week. Worried, she visits his house and learns from Mama Raffles that he is sick. Nini decides to gather all their friends to visit Raffles and cheer him up. She first finds Finny the fish at the pond, then Chicha the cup in a bushes. And finally, Sherlock the sparrow and Pinpin the porcupine under a big oak tree. They all agree to visit Raffles that evening. When they arrive at Raffles' house, they surprise him with gifts, fruit, chocolates, and his favorite video game, Mappy. Raffles is very happy because he thought his friend had forgotten him. Their visit makes him feel much better, and they all have a great time together. The next day, Raffles is enough to return to school. His mother is grateful to his friend, realizing that true friendship can help hit and bring happiness. Moving on, let me share my favorite part of the story. My favorite part of the story is when Nini and her friends visit Raffles and surprise him. Raffles thought they had forgotten about him. But when he saw them, he was so happy that he almost cried. This part made me feel warm and happy because it showed how much his friend cared about him. It, it was nice to see that their visit helped Raffles feel better. From this story, I learned three important moral values. Firstly, friendship is important because good friends are care for each others. In this story, Nini and her friends didn't forget about Raffles when he was under the big weather. Instead, they took action to cheer him up, showing that real friends offer support and kindness. Secondly, we should always check on our friends, especially when they are unwell, absent, or behaving differently. Just like how Nini visited Raffles' house after realizing he had been missing from school. Thirdly, surprises bring joy as they can make others happy and feel valued. The acts of bringing gifts and spending time with Raffles made him feel loved. Lastly, teamwork makes things better. Now, let's talk about who would enjoy this book. Young children should read this story because it teaches us the important values like friendship, kindness, and caring for others. The story is simple and fun to read. My lovable animal characters that make it enjoyable. It also shows how small acts of kindness like visiting a sick friend can make a big difference. This story helps children learn to be good friends. Finally, my rating for this book is 5 out of 5. This story is heartwarming and teaches valuable lessons about friendship, kindness, and teamwork. The characters are fun and easy to relate to, making it enjoyable for young readers. The simple language makes the storyline perfect for children to understand and learn from. Moreover, people of all ages can also enjoy this story because it reminds us of the importance of caring for others. Even adults can appreciate the message about true friendship and how small acts of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life. In conclusion, Raffle and his true friends is a heartwarming story that teaches is the importance of friendship, kindness, and caring for others. This book is enjoyable for readers of all ages and delivers valuable lessons in a simple yet meaningful way. I highly suggest this book to everyone who loves story about friendship and kindness. That's all. Thank you.